and we can get that down in there, give it a scrub. Hello brewers! Short video today on ball locks. I'm sure you're all very familiar with these, and I'm sure most of you are fully aware of what I'm about to show you, but it was inspired by a question on one of the Facebook groups this week, so I thought I'd do a short video because there's a lot of beginners out there and it's something they might not know. So we've all got the ball locks, we've all had them connected to the kegs, but how do you clean one? Well, on the face of it, it seems like it's a sealed unit, and how do you get that apart and clean it? Well, the answer is here. You can see here, get the contrast of the light. This top portion here, this top lid comes off. What you need is a relatively wide bladed screwdriver. This is probably not wide enough, it could be a little bit wider, but it does the job. That goes into that slot there, and lefty loosey, out it comes. So, I'm lucky enough for the whole thing has actually come apart in one. So we've got several parts here that have come out. So we've got the lid that's got the screw, we've got the spring, we've got the seal, and then the poppet valve. Those are the four component parts that go into the ball lock. As you can now see, the ball lock, you can see all the way through it, and it is now clear and easy to clean. Now the way I do it, I've just got these little stainless pipe cleaner jobs in and around there. I've got a bigger pipe cleaner one, just give it around there, bit of a soak, and she should be right. Then into some sanitizer, and then reassembly. So reassembly, I'll show you what I do. So I take the lid, the cap, I rest the seal onto the ledge, make sure it's square. You can see that, you can see the seal there. That's all down there nice. So it's not going to come off and be pinched and leak. Spring on next, poppet valve on last. Now I try to keep this in an upright orientation so that seal stays in place and doesn't fall off. Then bring the ball lock down on top of it. Get that seated, get it started fingers with the started fingers. What does that mean? Started with my fingers, and then finish off with the screwdriver. And there we go. Assembled, disassembled, all in one. Hope you find this Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a subscribe. It helps us grow the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.